Access your free language gifts of the month right now. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the Talking with Friends cheat sheet. If you want to be able to speak casually with friends, then you'll love this new cheat sheet. You'll master everyday expressions, idioms, and slang for casual conversations. If you want to be able to talk about your day fluently, then you'll want the next new resource, the 400 Everyday Phrases for Beginners ebook. This bonus ebook will teach you over 400 words and phrases related to daily activities, like waking up, making breakfast, going to work or school, and much more. Third, how to talk about YouTube in your target language. With this 1-minute lesson, you'll learn the most common words and phrases like, comment, and subscribe in your target language. Fourth, how to talk about your phone plan in your target language. If you're traveling and need to get a phone, then this 1-minute vocab lesson is for you. Fifth, top 20 words for positive emotions. If you want to talk about your feelings, then check out this next lesson. It'll teach you 20 positive emotion words in just a few minutes. Access it right now. Sixth, want a language learning app that'll teach you hundreds of conversations? Download Innovative Language 101 for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. You'll unlock hundreds of bite-sized audio and video lessons made by real teachers and start speaking in minutes. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, get 31% off Premium or Premium Plus with the Breakthrough Sale. So, to get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.